Ultimately, the end objective is to provide water to third world nations that are in need of water due to the fact of the 2.5 million people, 3 children every minute, perishing from contaminated water. And ultimately, our initial goal is to get these units out into the market to provide better health benefits for individuals, and it's far cheaper than the cost of bottled water. The plans for the United States are to establish distribution through existing appliance dealers and water dealers to provide these units as an option to using bottled water and using RO systems. The water production is based on average temperature and average humidity. Say in a home based upon, say, 77 degrees and, say, 60% humidity, the units would do approximately 4 to 5 gallons of water per day. The units can produce up to 15 gallons of water a day. And the units also have a hybrid capability, which means that the units can actually be hooked up to a backup water line in case excess water is needed. In a desert region, there is obviously less humidity. As we know, the situation where there is lower humidity, it's very simple. The fact is the unit will have to run longer to produce more water, as opposed to a higher temperature and higher humidity levels. The fact is that there's always humidity in the air, and even in a desert region, during the evening, your humidity levels will rise. So given worst case scenario based on very high kilowatts per hour, at the most you're still talking about approximately 30 to maybe 50 cents per gallon to produce a gallon of water, which again is far less expensive than bottled water and the use of RO systems. By letting people knowing what we have to offer is bringing attention to the simple fact that there's atmospheric water around the entire world, and that this water can be used to produce the purest water on the planet. If you're talking about it from an investor standpoint, obviously our company is in a growth mode. The company has been self-funded and funded entirely by myself at this point, but we are looking to bring in investors, and the company is looking to go public on the Toronto Exchange in September. So we are interested in speaking with investors. We're interested in speaking with investors.
I'm Dr. Craig Newhouse. I'm the Chief Executive Officer for Planet's Purest Water. And we have a goal here at the Planet's Purest Water, and that's to, in our lifetime, make pure drinking water a human right for people all over the world. Now, we're going to do that, or we're going to help in doing that, establishing pure drinking water through atmospheric water systems that are available for people in their homes, in their offices, and also will be available in their schools. They'll be available in all kinds of industrial applications, agricultural applications, etc. We have partners all over the world who are interested in bringing clean water to Africa, South America, the Caribbean, parts of the southeastern parts of the United States where there was drought before. You'll be able to see our products in independent appliance dealers throughout the United States. For people around the world who can't afford them, we have foundations and fellowships that are making these products available to people in the third world where they frankly can't afford them, but they have a right to pure drinking water as well too. So it's a great opportunity, a great time for all of us. We look forward to working with everybody. We'd like everybody to be able to have access to the best drinking water in the world, highly oxygenated, good for your health, tastes terrific, and it's going to be available for all. So thank you very much.